So welcome in Calabarzon. Calabarzon is consisting of 5 provinces, which is the Cavite, Laguna, Batangas, Rizal, and Quezon. Cavite is a region in the Philippines known for its diverse culinary offerings. Each province boasts unique specialties. First, Cavite. Cavite's tamales. These favorite treats are Cavite City favorite, made with ground peanuts and galapong or rice flour. They are steamed and wrapped in banana leaf. Second is Laguna. Laguna is renowned for its buko pie, a sweet pie filled with young coconut. Other popular treats include espasol, quesong puti, made from carabaos milk, and various other rice cakes and desserts.
For Batangas Lomi is a beloved Filipino noodle soup hailing from Batangas province in the Philippines, and it's distinguished by its thick, savory broth, chewy noodles, and generous variety of toppings. This dish showcases a unique blend of flavors and textures, making it a culinary highlights of the region. In Rizal Province, sinigang sa miso is a favorite Filipino sour soup variation that incorporates miso paste, a fermented soybean seasoning to enhance the traditional sinigang taste with a unique umami flavor. This dish is popular in Rizal, particularly in places in Taytay and Angono, where local restaurants serve versions such as sinigang na kanduli or catfish sa miso, highlighting fresh local seafood. In Quezon is known for pancit habhab, noodles served on banana leaves and eaten without utensils. Budin or cassava cake is another popular sweet treat